This here is the optical OptiVisor for the hobbyist. From tying fishing flies to reading and performing repairs. All electronic enthusiasts and naturalists will love owning one of these. It has an adjustable wheel for tightening and loosening the headband. It has a sponge protector that protects your forehead from getting creases. This here is the meat and potatoes of the unit, the lens system. This here is my favorite, the 10X, but you just order the adapters that you need. And the lenses are attached by either screws or some of them are slide-ons. The headband has thumb screws. The thumb screws, you can make it as tight or as loose as you want, and that will enable this just to stay above your head and keep it out of the way when you're working. And another good thing about this unit, between the headband and the lens, you got enough room here for safety goggles. Now, being a hobbyist, I collect seashells. And this is to the naked eye, but if you use these beautiful OptiVisors, look at that. Look at that. I tell you, it's a great thing to have.